Falzon! Well done. Come here, mate. Well done, man.
Happy to come away with the championship points and
First of all, I want to say congratulations to Daniel. It's hard to get your first podium, so good work, Daniel.
Third place in race one, Daniel. Fantastic effort. Must be very, very proud to put your own private team up onto a podium position.
Proud's the right word, Crumpy. I can't thank the team enough. That race was probably the hardest race of my life, honestly, mentally, physically. Just to watch my lap board and make sure I keep on putting out as fast laps I can and maintain a gap over Glenn. And then came the last few laps, had 5 seconds. I knew that if I just stay upright, I can take this my first podium. I've got to thank the guys at Yamaha and the team at YMI for supporting me the whole season through.
Mate, none of us were quite sure if you were going to attack Glenn and try and take the podium off him. Obviously, he's racing for championship points, but no team orders from you guys. You're a completely private team and you're out there to get the best result for yourself and your sponsors.
Exactly right. Well, we're a privateer team, as I mentioned. I'm out here to get my best results. I want to be in the Yamaha factory team, so I've got to beat as many of them as I can.